Hate to bring this up, but it's nearly tax time, and the IRS says record numbers of people are filing their federal taxes online instead of by mail. In fact, the number is up 20% over last year. How's it working out for New Mexico? KSFR's Margaret Anderson.
Every year, more and more New Mexicans are choosing to file their taxes electronically instead of sending them in through the mail. In fact, the amount of e-filed tax returns from last year reached almost 60%, and it's nearly doubled since 2003. Libby Gonzalez of the State Taxation and Revenue Department says that this has to do with the availability of computer software that makes it easy to file on your own. But she also says that the state offers a number of methods that allow people to submit their personal tax returns right from home.
Some of that is TurboTax. It's more related to Fed-state filing, where you file your federal form, and then at the same time you file your federal form, you go ahead and send in your state, and it's uploaded to our system. Most of them are filed in that manner. Another portion of them are filed by the system that we use that is developed by our own in-house staff. The other method that is also helpful is if you use one of the software developed programs for personal income tax, use your own computer. There's also what's called 2D barcode. And those 2D barcode returns print a kind of code on the second page of the return, and those are filed almost electronically as well because it's based on the information on the return, and it doesn't have to be data entered. It's decoded as we scan that information. So that's another method of doing it. But we much prefer, and they get a much faster turnaround if they file electronically using federal state method or our own internet PITNet filing.
So why has e-filing become such a growing trend? While it certainly saves a lot of paper, it also saves time. Gonzalez says this is the main reason for its appeal.
You know what I believe it is that it's the ease of the filing of the returns and as much as the quick turnaround. For example, for New Mexico, anything that's filed electronically, as long as there's no error in it, you should have the check within 7 to 10 days. It's a lot faster than filing by paper. So far this year, we have filed, there's 468,000 returns that have been filed. And of those 468, 360 were filed using the Fed state method, and another 50,000 were filed using our own internet system.
For KSFR News, I'm Margaret Anderson.